In today's video, we are going to learn adding and subtracting fractions. Let us remember that there are different kinds of fractions. But today, we are going to learn how to add and subtract similar and dissimilar fractions. Remember, if both fractions have the same denominator, it is considered a common or a similar fraction. Here, we have an example for addition. 5/7 plus 1/7. To do this, we are going to add 5 and 1, which is 6, and we will copy the denominators because they are the same. So the answer is 6/7. Now we have an example for subtraction. Here we are going to subtract 5/7 and 1/7. Again, we are going to subtract the numerators and just copy the denominators, and so the answer is 4/7. This time, let's have dissimilar fractions, meaning fractions that have different denominators. Here, we have an example for addition. For this one, we have to add 4/8 and 6/16. Since we have different denominators, let's find the LCM of 8 and 16, which is 16. So now we have the denominator, which is 16. We are going to add 4 and 6 to get 10, and the answer will be 10/16. But since both 10 and 16 are multiples of 2, we are going to reduce it to 5/8, and that is our final answer. Now we have an example for subtraction. Again, we are going to find the LCM of 7 and 14, which is 14. Since we now have our denominator, we will subtract 5 and 3 to get 2, and copy the denominator, which is 14. So we have 2/14. Since 2/14 is divisible by 2, we can still reduce it to 1/7. So 1/7 is our final answer.